everyone, welcome back to Sign Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 6th to the 10th of October 2025 on Monday. Jack gets news that upset everyone around him. Bele is stand at the 10 of event with revelation by Mpho and Charmaine. Ayanda is gutted to learn what thou thinks of Nodle has done. Kamokhailo's stand at the extreme steps Kia has taken regarding his relationship with Lulama. Melokuhle goes out of her way to defend Fanyana. Will it have consequences later on Tuesday? But as well falls apart. Jack is released from hospital, but his freedom comes at a price. Melo's hard work and integrity pays off as she lands her dream campaign on Wednesday. Bella makes bail. Nodle want to help, but Ayanda intervened. Tando tried to do the right thing. V gets a warning from Kumu. Kamo uses Rory to cover up his suspension. Sam hooks a big guest for his podcast on Thursday. Bella seems to have made a decision and offers Mpho some advice on his future with Melokuhle. Lucy find out that the people close to Jack have deserted him. Tragedy visits Kalo Court. Kia, mortified to learn what thou think Kamo and Lulu's future hold. Melokuhle celebrate her latest achievement, but will it all end well on Friday? Everyone deals with the aftermath of the tragedy. Kumo can't help but feels cheated by Bele as he never really got his revenge. Mpho gets a heart-wrenching letter. Lucy check in on Jack and realizes he needs help. Ntando is determined to find out who his father is. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.